So guys, this is Chitkul, the last village one can travel without any permit. Situated at about 1100 feet with a population of 882 people recorded in 2010. Village resides by the banks of Basta river with scenic apple orchard trees and snow mountains on the other side of the river. All the houses of Chitkul are mostly wooden ones with some character to them, and locals are a bit private, so most of them didn't allow us to shoot. So unlike few others
क्या जुकाम हो गया?
who had shown us their way to Bodh Mandir, which is by the way beautiful, and it was closed unfortunately. We headed towards Mati temple, but it was closed as well. Only Airtel and Jio networks work here. In case you are a solo traveler, there is a hostel over here, so that you can have access to Wi-Fi connection. So do not worry if you are facing any network issues. Chitkul is one of the most scenic places one cannot miss. There is a Chitkul road which connects to Tibet, and you need permit for that. There are so many trekking places from here. It is famously known for the trek which starts from Chitkul, and it is Kinnaur trek, and it is most popular among the trekkers. So kindly make a note of it and travel to Chitkul. So this is Chitkul for you guys, and we'll be heading our way back to Sangla and plan for the next day of the ride.